Kia ora, my name is Doreen and I am an advisor for the Ngāpuhi call centre here in Kaikohe. So my role entails on a daily basis pretty much being available to take calls. We do take calls nationwide. We have a target group which is our Māori Whanau. Concerns our Māori Whanau have is not knowing how to ask for support, unsure how far they can reach for support, and also not being able to communicate their needs. So as a Māori advisor, I have a passion for that. I'm well aware of the past in terms of health or non-health care for our people. This is an opportunity for us to give back. So being Māori on the phone, being available for our whānau, they can sense that we are Māori and they will enter the door. And that's the bridging that we provide as a Māori call centre. In terms of the health line and COVID health line, first option is Māori, if you want to speak to a Māori advisor. My passion is about our people and supporting them and helping them with their health and our communities, because if we have a healthy community, we can strive.